జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ. Very soon there will be so much big crying sounds will be coming from every woman in this entire Lanka, because every woman's husband is going to be killed very soon. The moment Rama comes to know that I am in the custody of Ravana, Rama would burn this entire Lanka with his arrows. Like that, Sitamma started crying and shouting at demons, and immediately realizing that now the time that Ravana gave to me is going to be over very soon. So Ravana would come, kill me and eat me away. I don't know if I am going to be able to see my Rama. Probably because of my separation, Rama also would have left his body and went to heaven. Or maybe because I am not there anymore, I am not right in front of Rama anymore, his love, his affection towards me has gone down. And no, Rama would never forget me like that. Rama always remembers me, and his love and affection towards me will never go down. Or Bhratarau hi narasreshtau samvruttau vanagocharau. Or Rama and Lakshmana, because I am not there anymore, they probably gave up their Kshatriya profession and transformed themselves into sages, and while eating all the herbs and fruits and other things, leading their Muni sage life. But even after thinking in all these ways, I am still thinking that maybe the suicidal is the best solution. I feel so good if there is anyone who can give me some poison. I do not want to be alive anymore. Dhanyah khalu mahatmano munayaha tyakta kilbishaha. All the great sages and seers, rishis, how they are great, because they are brave. They do not do any mistakes, they do not commit any sins, and they have control upon their mind, and they have no favorable, unfavorable things in this world. That is how they are at peace always. Like that, Sita Devi thought about great rishis at once, and then again feeling that no, I do not want to be alive anymore. I want to kill myself. Like that, Sita Devi feeling, crying, shouting at those demons. Sitamma decided to commit suicide. Then, when Sitamma decided like that, all the demons who were sitting around Sitamma went to Ravana and conveyed that message to Ravana. By then, all other demons some more demons who were sitting around Sitamma started frightening Sitamma more and more. At that time, one demon, her name is Trijata, she was in sleep until then. She just got up, and now she is saying to all other demons like this: "Oh demons, you are all bad. Stop that. Stop doing anything bad to Sita Devi. Do you know who is Sita Devi? Janakasya sutam ishtam snusham Dasarathasya cha. She is Janaka Maharaju's daughter. Sita Devi is Dasaratha Maharaju's daughter-in-law. Don't say anything to Sita Devi." While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.